I'm Robin Cook and I work at the Early Learning Coalition. And today I want to talk to you about money math and routines. And so while we're in this quarantine, you can teach your child about math. And one thing that we're doing here is having the kids pay for their snacks. Yep, you heard it. I said pay for their snacks. So I seen this cute little thing on Pinterest and I said, oh, I got to do that. So you can use old shoebox works great. Put the snacks in there. If you have a cash register, that's cool. But if not, use a box as well, just to keep the money in. And so what we're doing is putting the snacks in a box and putting what each thing costs. So to teach the children how much should they pay for it and how much change should they get back. So for instance, chips are $1.50. So if they give me $2, what should be their change? What does that look like? So really teaching them that 4 quarters equal $1. And that what do the quarters look like? That they're 25 cents. So my change should have been 50 cents. If you have younger children, you might want to just start off small. 5 cents. That also looks 5 cents. Also looks like 5 pennies. So you'll have them count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. It also looks like this, a nickel. Learning the names. What is a dime? That's 10 cents. Like I said, a quarter is 25 cents. And then of course $1 moving up into the $5 or even $10. So one way the children get to earn money is by doing chores. So some of the chores that we have on our chore chart are clean your room, put your shoes away, make your bed, help set the table, sweep underneath the table, take out the little trashes. So they'll earn money at the end of the week, or they can earn extra money if they do this by just taking the initiative. If they see the trash is full and do it on their own, they'll earn extra bucks. Behaved. We have a daily schedule for the children. After they finish school, we try to do a virtual tour with them, letting them watch Go Noodle is a good one, African wildlife. They like to watch different things like that. And then in the evening, definitely trying to do a physical activity, whether it's ride a bike, play baseball, or go swimming, just to keep them moving and active. So those are a few tips that I wanted to share as far as what you could do during quarantine with your children, helping them learn money math and keeping them active. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.